Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have some project shares for you. I am really loving how these came out. And the project shares are using some of the dies and items I have received from InLoveArts Shop. I will link the shop below. As always, I have a coupon code for you, and you can also get free shipping, I believe, if you spend over $25. So anyways, I'll leave all those details in the description box below. So the first thing I'm going to just quickly show you that I received was this stamp set, and I do have a sample of that. Yep, I do. So what I thought was so cute is I was going to show you just how some of the items stamp out. And I really like how crisp and just really nice and clear. Well, it depends on the stamp that you use, the actual ink pad. So I really like the hello. And like I said, I just kind of picked a few of them that I thought I should show you based on how the printing looks. I really liked the way that love came out. Good day, and then I did dad, and initially I thought, oh no, did I miss like a part on the D? But it's actually just the way that the D has been designed, which is still really nice. So anyways, that's just some of the sentiments. So I thought it would be nice to have just little sentiments. For sure, I think I'll be using the hello a lot. Definitely in projects that I'll be sending out. So that was the first thing I wanted to show you. The next one is one that I wasn't 100% happy about, but again, it could be my actual die cutting. I did run it twice, but it still sort of had a very difficult time, popping out a lot of the images, but it is a beautiful die. As you can see, I'll put it on the table so you can see it better. It depends, I guess. I know some people will say you have to use the specialty what's it called, metal cutting plate or whatever it is, but I actually wanted to show you how it is without using that, because not everybody has that, right? So I thought it'd be good to see how it comes out if you don't have that. Anyways, a hard time getting all these little bits out. I'm sure they would come out if I took my time to push every single piece out of it, but I haven't. So I just wanted to make note of that. I guess if I run it a few times, it might have worked better, but I just found it that it really just needed more work. Anyways, that's that one there. The next one that I'm going to show you actually is going to be the box one. So I really wanted to try a box. I don't know, for some reason lately I've been obsessed with mini boxes, and I really thought this one was super cute. Look how cute it is. Okay, I just really love how it came out. I did add another die from the set to this one, and then you'll see a few of them in here, which I'll show you in a moment. But I like the box itself. It was a little difficult putting it together, I have to admit, because these little parts on the inside, and I don't know if you can see them, it was really hard kind of holding them together because they weren't really getting attached to the edges. So I think next time I might attach them to the edges instead of just leaving them like that. So anyways, that's the little box. It was super cute and fun to use. The next thing, let me just look over here. So I didn't I liked this, but again, the reason I love showing you all the dies when I get them is because you get to see how they actually die cut, right? So for the dress form, I thought it was going to be the full dress. So like this was going to be filled in, but it wasn't. So it actually, let me show you how it die cuts. So it's like a really thin, profile, and then you would add your color, which is still really nice. But I just wanted to show you how things actually die cut versus how I think they're going to, and that's what I really like about showing you how they actually come out. So then you've got the little cake. This one says Mr. and Mrs. I don't know what this is. A car? Possibly? I'm not sure. And then I really love these little frames here, and then this little label and this part here. So this one here, this is how it it die cuts. So you would have to, you know, make sure you place it where you want to, because it doesn't fully cut this edge out, if you know what I mean. So this edge stays in. It just die cuts the images there. Okay. And then the frames, they all cut everything separate, as you can see here. So these two, everything comes out. So you've got, you know, if I put everything back together, this is how it would look. But when you die cut it, everything, like all the little 3 pieces, pop out on their own. So that's something that you would have to keep in mind, because you could actually work with each different piece, which is really nice. And then the label, which is right here, okay, the label itself, this is how it die cuts. So you have the frame, and then you have the inside part, which is still, like I said, everything is usable. And then you've got this, and I kept them together when I was die cutting. And then you've got this frame here, which is this one there, and I thought it was super adorable as well. So anyways, I really, really like how these came out. I was actually going to use them with some of my printables, but I decided to change the project that I was going to do. So I'll show you that probably in another video, how I incorporate some of these. But I was really happy with how these ones die cut, and I'll definitely be using them. So this, I guess, is for like you know, someone that's getting married, or someone that got married, and then you could make maybe a little card or something for them. So that was really, really fun. Okay, so moving on, what do I have next? Right. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is the butterflies, which I was really excited about. So it comes in a set of 6 butterflies, and you have, like, I guess you could do 3 layers for each, or you could combine them in 2s, depending on, you know, what you want to do with it. So this is what they look like. And there's the different sizes, and you see how some have like a really nice design on them, and then some are solid. So it's really, really nice to look at. So I'll show you what I've done with them. And this is also using another one of the items, which I'll show you in a moment. So I did a tag, because I thought it'd be nice to start making tags. I want to make like a tag album, mini album. So I thought I would start adding the pieces to it and then showing you. But see how really beautiful that looks. I did the die cutting in like different colors so that you could see the different designs, but I really like how they come out. I just added a little bling to the center, but I thought that was really, really cute. Okay, so that's the first part of the butterflies. I'm going to show you a few more projects with butterflies in a moment. Then we have this here, which I guess it's banner dies, and there's 3 different sizes, as you can see here. So you've got like a few of them to work with, and I had an idea to actually do a banner with these, but then I changed my mind, and I'm going to show you what I've done in a moment. But this is what they look like. If I put them aside here so you can see. And so I like that, of course, it you know, it punches out the little holes at the top. I'm just flipping this one over so you can see the 3 layers. So it's really, really nice. And I really like how easy and quickly these come out. And then one more that I'm going to show you here, which actually a couple more, which again, I've combined in some of the projects that I'm going to show you. So I've got a bow set, a little bow cutting die, and then we also have like this triple I guess like a doily or circle. So the dies, first I'm going to show you those, the bows. These ones, it's, you know, it's a few different pieces. So you have like the 4 different pieces, and then this little one that goes in the center. I had such a hard time figuring out how to put this together, but I'm going to show you. I'm just going to add some of them here. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, I had like the most difficult time figuring out how to fold them and what goes with what, but I figured it out. I think they turned out really, really cute. So that's the one I used here. And I've got an extra butterfly there. So I thought those were fun to use. I've been wanting to get some bows as well for my project, so these ones were perfect for that. And then I'm going to show you some of the projects. So I showed you, oh, I haven't shown you the tags. So I've got the tags here, and you have 5 different tags, which are really lovely looking. And I'll show you what they look like, because I really like the fact that they have that kind of stitch design on them. So I just have a couple different sizes here, and these are some of the projects that I have made. So the one that I really thought was fun was this little kind of hanging banner. I thought it'd be so great to send this to a friend so they can kind of, you know, put it in their inspiration board or just somewhere that you can hang it and look at it. So it says happiness is here. And so I've added some of the bows that I showed you. And then this piece here is from this die set, so you can see there, and this one was like the center one, which has the little hearts. Oh, and this reminds me too, I think I have it in here. So this die set, because it's got so many tiny little hearts that can pop out, like from this die and this die, if you collect them all, and I just put them here to show you, I guess you can make these cute little bags of little hearts that you can add your own embellishments or things to it, because there's so many. Now, I guess this is extreme keeping everything that you have, but I thought they were so cute because they're already heart-shaped, so why not, right? So anyways, there's a bunch left in here that I have to punch out, but see how that turned out. I think it's just really, really cute. And so I've added one of the bows, and of course it's on one of the banners. The largest banner is the one that I added for the back, and I backed it with cardstock because I wanted it to be nice and sturdy if someone's actually going to be hanging this. So I've got the bow and everything else. So I thought that was really, really cute. Let me move these aside so I can show you a couple more. And then what else did I make here? Right, I have another tag, again using the die set, the tag. So that's the circle die set, and then the butterflies. Okay, and that's just a circle one here. Oh, there's that one there. Again, there's a little hearts that I'm going to be using for something else, probably make a little like a shaker bag or something with them. So there's that tag, and I think it's just super cute. So like I said, I'm adding these to probably like a little mini album, mini tag album. So I wanted to show you that. And then the last couple things I did, which I thought were super fun, I made some bag toppers. So again, using the circle die here. So for this one, I used the largest one. I'm trying to keep these in place with my little thing there. Okay, so I used that one for the base, and then of course the large butterfly, which I thought was super cute. So if you have like a doily, look how cute that looks, right? Now these doilies are from A Tattered Dream on Etsy. I will link Denise's shop below, and also the glassine bag that I'm showing you. I just want to show you how cute that would look if I'm packaging it up for, you know, my happy mail, my pen pal friends, etc. Isn't that adorable? So there's that there. And then this one here. And this one says made with love. Again, I used the round die for that, and then another one of the bows. So I thought that was really cute. I like how that turned out. So those are my quick projects today, my friends. Definitely I'll be sharing more of these as I make things, and I'm trying to make like also maybe a little embellishment book to send out, because I think they're super adorable. And it's always nice to have embellishments that someone has made, or you know, that you could send to someone that they can use in their projects. So I thought that these would be such a fabulous idea for that. So as I said before, links for everything I've used here will be in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this quick share. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one of the projects you thought was, you know, the nicest that you liked, or that you would make yourself. And stay tuned for more things that I'm going to be sharing with you. Oh, right. I did make this video for this tiny little album just recently. I'm not sure when this video will be airing, but I'm adding some of these pieces to another one of these mini albums. I do show you a tutorial how to make this, so I'll link that below as well if you didn't see it. But I'm just having so much fun with, like, you know, the brighter colors, the I'm kind of coming out of the vintage style right now. I'll probably be adding more vintage kind of style and see how that looks here, but I think these are just fun. quick and easy projects to make, and you know, it'd be nice to send to friends. And yeah, anyways, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.